Hello YouTube. I am in my garage and I got a new package today. So let's see what we have. It is the rear end rebuild kit for my Mercury. As you know, I'm putting in new gears and a positraction in the back. And you need one of these, a rebuild kit with all your gears, gaskets, bolts, bushings to make sure everything is set up right when you install it. Let's open it up and see what we have. Like we said, this is for the Ford 7.5 inch rear end. That is the stock number. And remember, on the Crown Vics, the Grand Marquis, and the Town Cars, you can have a choice of either the 8.8 or the 7.5. So this is important, or you end up having to return this back if you get the wrong one. My car has the 7.5. Okay, as you see here, you got some gasket for the oil pan, differential cover. You got gasket maker, all the bushings, the shims, the bolts, the ring and pinion to the positraction, and all the axle seals. This is about $85. And that's it. More videos to come. Oh yeah, one more thing. Like I said before, the 7.5 and the 8.8 has different pumpkin shapes. In my situation, the 7.5 has flat top, flat bottom, round sides. If you have an 8.8, it is opposite. It is round at the bottom, flat on the sides, round on the top. Just remember that before you order any parts when it comes to rear ends. Know what your rear end is so you don't have to make a mistake. So that's it. Until next video. I'll see you.